Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create a virtual fitness coaching website using Shopify. First, be sure to check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So without further ado, let's get going. First, we're going to go over here to our product section and we're going to click on add product. Here we're going to start with a title. For example, I'm going to start with my video review for technique. And once we have our title ready, we're going to copy it, and here on the description we're going to click on generate text. We're going to paste our title, we're going to click on generate, and Shopify is going to use its built-in AI to give us an automatic description for us. So here we can either choose to generate again or just click here on keep to give the description we already have. Here we're going to click on upload new in media, and we're going to select an image for our product. On our right, we're going to be able to choose a product type, vendor, collections, and tag. We're going to choose here on collections. Make sure you add your product to your homepage collection, and for tags we can add, for example, virtual coaching as one of our tags. For pricing, let's say that we're going to charge around 40,000 pesos for our product, and our cost per item is going to be around 20,000, so our profit would be also 20,000 pesos at a 50% margin of profit. For inventory, we are just going to uncheck this because it's a service, so it's not going to have any kind of inventory. And here we can also assign weight to our products in case we are going to do any kind of shipping. So once we are done customizing our product, we are going to go over here and we're going to save our product. As you can see, if we go back, we would have our first product uploaded. And next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on add product again, and I'm going to keep uploading all of the products that I want in my online store. So I'll be back with you guys once I'm done. As you can see, guys, here I have finished uploading all of my products. I have added a 3 weeks close following program, a diet and nutrition counseling, and a priority fitness follow. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to go to our online store and we're going to start to customize it. First, we're going to be able to change its theme. If you can see that we can go down over here, and Shopify is going to provide us with a bunch of free themes. If we want to see more of them, we can click over here on visit theme store, and here we're going to be redirected to the Shopify theme store, where we're going to have a lot of different free themes that we can either buy or just check out in case we want to add them to our store. For me, I'm just going to choose the default one. So once we are back over here, we're going to click on customize, and we're going to start customizing our online store. So as you can see here, we're going to click over here and we're going to have our first section displayed. You can see that each section is going to be outlined by this blue line, and here on the top left, the name of the section is going to be displayed. On our right, we're going to have a lot of different options to customize our section. For example, this is our image banner. If we click over here, we are going to be able to select an image to be our banner. For example, I'm going to select this one, and once it's done processing, we're going to click on done, and the image of our banner is going to change. Now next, we're going to click over here on our heading, and we're going to change the text. For example, we're going to put welcome to my virtual fitness coaching website. Now let's say that we want to add a new section to our website. What we're going to do is we're going to click over here on add a section, and we are going to have a lot of different options such as featured collection, featured product, collections list, etc, etc. I'm just going to choose a featured product, and as you can see right at the bottom, a new section is going to appear. Here on the top right, we're going to click on select, and we're going to choose one of our products to be displayed right over here. For example, I'm going to choose my diet and nutrition counseling, and as you can see, the product is going to be displayed right over here on our new section. Now let's say that we want to change this section up a bit. For example, we're going to choose a nice dark theme right over here for our section. Another thing that can happen is that we can add a new section by mistake. For example, here I'm going to add a featured collection, and now let's say that we want to delete this section. In order to do it, what we're going to do is I'm going to make sure that we have the section we want to delete selected, and right over here on the bottom right, we're going to click on remove section. As you can see, this section is going to be removed. Another thing that we can do is that we can add a sections to both our footer. As you can see, we can add an email sign up and a custom liquid, and the same goes for our header. Right over here, we can add also a custom liquid and an announcement bar. Another very important thing about our header is going to be that right over here is going to say my store. This is going to display our store's name. So in order to change it, what we're going to do is we're going to save our changes. We're going to exit, and here on the home page of Shopify, we're going to click on name store. Right here, we're going to be able to change our store's name. For example, I'm going to put virtual fitness coaching. Coaching. Then we're going to save our changes. And in order to make sure that everything is correct, we're going to go back to our online store, but here instead we're going to click on the three dots and we're going to click on preview. This is going to redirect us to our website, and as you can see, the name of the store is going to change. We can scroll down to make sure that everything else is set up just the way we want, and once we are done checking out our website, we're going to go back over here to go over the analytics and marketing section. Now this is going to be a really important section for us, guys, because here we're going to be able to see our total sales, our sales by channel, our total orders, the average order value, and many different things such as which products are going to be the most popular amongst our customers, and many more things and information, which is going to be really helpful for us in order to manage and customize our website all from the same place. Lastly, I wanted to show you the discount section here. If we click on add discount, I'm going to choose an amount of products. We are going to be able to customize our own discount for our store. For example, here we can choose a code for our discount. For example, let's say that I want to choose fitness 101, or if we just click over here, Shopify is going to generate a random code for us. Here we can choose which kind of discount is going to be, either a fixed amount or a percentage. I'm going to choose a percentage, and let's say that it's going to be a 10% discount. Here we can choose which collections our discount is going to apply to. For example, I'm going to choose the products of my homepage collection and I'm going to add them. Here, if we go further down, you can see that we have another options to customize our discount, such as if we need any minimum purchase requirements for it, the customer eligibility, the maximum amount of uses it has, the combinations, and here right at the end, if we click on set end date, we can choose an expiration date for our discount. For example, we're going to click over here, I'm going to choose the 28th, and once we are ready, we are going to click over here on save, and we would have our first discount ready to either post on social media, maybe give to a friend, or just use however we would like. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify, and also that $1 for 1 month one-time deal. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time.